Hey everyone, it's Mikey Millions, and we are set to kick things off with Week 5 of the Robinhood 3K Challenge. As the burning purple car might indicate, it hasn't been my favorite week. We'll get to that. But first off, I want to thank my buddy John Warhol for hooking me up with a new swagtastic intro. Check out his channel for some ear-thrashing guitar solos as he kicks off his YouTube journey as well. We'd both really appreciate your support. I was real busy last week working on the Wicked Trades video, so it took me a little while to get this Week 5 video out. For those that need a refresher, check out the Week 4 video to see how we got to where we are now. For everyone else, let's get our hands dirty and dive into Week 5 of the Robinhood 3K Challenge. At the top of Week 5, we're standing on some really solid footing after 5 straight successful trades. 3 of those trades were cash-covered puts on AMD, and the others were cash-covered puts on Alcoa and Bank of America. In total, we've nabbed just over $230 on those trades, plus some money we've made holding stocks, and we're looking at a total gain so far of $259.44, or 8.6%. We're growing strong like House Tyrell, so our goal this week is to hit the 10% growth mark, which requires a gain of just $40.56. We've had some success with cash-covered puts, and I think I've met my goal over the past few weeks of showing you all how those work. So in this week, we're going to do something a little more advanced. In a video in late October, I demonstrated a put credit spread. This week, we're going to put that into action. Digging around for a stock, I said to myself, you know what would be absolutely baller? Selling a put credit spread on Uber the day before earnings. That'd be dope. So let's be absolute mad lads here for a minute, and with no regard for technical analysis whatsoever, set up our put credit spread on Uber. So right now, the stock is trading for a little under 31 here on Monday the 4th, and with earnings after the bell, premiums should be nice and juicy. Remember, with a put credit spread, we are first selling a put, and then buying a put with a lower strike. The put we sell will be worth more than the one we buy. This will credit us the difference in premiums. There are 2 contracts being traded in this spread, so we need to enter 2 orders. I'm starting by selling a put at the $30 strike to collect $180 of premium. My break even on this leg is $28.20. And now we are going to buy a put at the $27 strike and pay back $80 of the premium we just collected. Our net premium on this spread is $100, and our max risk is $200. That's the $300 between strikes minus the $100 we collected in premium. Our aggregate break even is $29. Just as a note, I found out later that the Robinhood interface would have let me do this in one transaction, but, lesson learned. Next time. The spread started losing money pretty much right away, so I wasn't feeling too good about it. I really started to go limp when my buddy in my Discord said, "Hey Mikey, you know the Uber share lockup expires tomorrow, right?" And I said, "Oh, crap. Thanks for the heads up." When an employee share lockup expires, that means employees who were awarded shares for free when the company first went public can start selling their holdings. That puts a lot of downward pressure on stocks. A put credit spread is a bullish strategy, so I hit the eject button and closed at a loss of $15. When earnings came out, Uber tanked well below my max loss point. So although this did kill my 5-trade win streak, it could have been a lot worse. I could have very easily lost $200. So while this does hurt, it was a good close. Fresh off the Uber dumpster fire, we needed to get back into the game and earn some bread. I began looking for a new stock and found inspiration when someone in my Discord actually sent me a $25 gift card to Starbucks for helping him get started in Theta Gang strategies. So, what more was there to think about? Long Becky and long Starbucks. By the way, if you send a gift card to Kamikaze Cash 3K at gmail.com, I will literally trade options on any stock you want. Anyway, I'm not trading again without doing technical analysis, and the technicals on Starbucks tell me that the stock's downturn is coming to a close. The relative strength index bounced right off the 30 level and is hooking bullish. We see a decent hammer bouncing off the 200-day moving average, and selling pressure has come off. The only weakness here is that the MACD histogram is not showing enough money flowing in quite yet. I think we will probably see a strong bounce soon. I don't know if it'll happen this week. But hey, I'm trading weeklies, so let's go for it. I'm putting a 6 out of 10 shot at Becky sucking down enough caramel unicorn lattes to push Starbucks above $83 by this Friday. Let's set up a put credit spread. I'm going to ask you all to forgive the potato quality cinematography here. I was trading at work, Snitch on me and I'll short your shares, while holding the phone in one hand and working the laptop with the other. It was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. I probably won't attempt that again. Anyway, let's open up Starbucks, currently trading at 82.03, and start by flipping over to sell puts to open the first leg of the spread. The strike we select will be the price we want the stock to be above on expiration so we can collect the full premium. I'll go slightly in the money and sell a put at 83 for $135 in premium. Now, let's trade some of that premium for downside protection. I'm going to trade $42 out of that $135 premium to buy a put at the $81 strike. That will protect us from huge losses in case I'm wrong and Starbucks crashes below 81 this week. Our total credit on this spread is the 135 we collected minus the 42 we traded for downside protection, so our net credit is $93, and our break even is $82.07. Now that's already above the current price, so this trade is a little bit aggressive. I'd probably prefer to have gone with a later expiration, but screw it, ride or die. Here we are a day later on the night of Tuesday, November 5th, and our portfolio is looking like ass. At one point we were down $50 on the day, but fortunately we did recover some, and now we are just looking at a $22 loss. You can pretty much see where things fell off, but on the positive side, we did get out of Uber before a 10% crash that would have nailed us with a $200 loss. On the Uber weekly chart, this big drop right here is the market open right after the earnings call when the CFO said, "I think we'll be profitable one day, I hope," and literally got laughed at. So it's a good thing we got out. On the Starbucks side, Becky is not treating me right. The stock price opened down about 40 cents today. I thought we had a bounce coming, and maybe we still do, but that spread started losing money pretty much as soon as I opened it. Right now you can see I'm down another $11 on this trade, but we've got some time. And hopefully Ivanka Trump or something will tweet a selfie with a Christmas peppermint latte so we can get some interest in this stock by Friday. On Wednesday the 6th, it looks like Becky went on a date to Starbucks and got some extra glitter in her Princess Frappuccino. Starbucks stock has broken the $83 mark, putting us at a position for max gain on this trade if the price holds until Friday. I was a little skeptical that we would see a break of $83 this week, but it looks like momentum is on our side, and our portfolio has broken the $3,300 mark for the first time. That's a 10% gain from where we started just weeks ago. I know that like 99% of my viewers are dudes, but you guys need to take your girls to Starbucks and keep this thing moving until Friday. Breaking up is never easy, especially when things were going so well. So when Becky left me today and ran off with like $80 of my money, it's left me searching for meaning. Did I hang on too long? Maybe I just needed to give her some more time to come around. It stung pretty bad to watch Starbucks drop back below 82 on Friday. I didn't suffer my max loss, but Robinhood did pull the plug on this spread at about 3 p.m. on Friday, leaving me with a loss of $35 and a broken heart. Between this loss and the Uber car crash earlier in the week, we've pretty much wiped out all of last week's gains, and we are back to where we were at around Halloween time. But hey, on the plus side, I got a free share of WPG from Robinhood when some absolute bro named Brandon signed up with my link. Thanks, Brandon. Here's the most painful part about this whole breakup with Becky. Since I'm making this video a little late, I can look back and see that the price of Starbucks went right back up over 83 on Monday morning following my spread's expiration. If I had selected an expiration 1 week further out, I would have collected more premium and I would have collected my max gain. But that's the nature of playing weeklies. Sometimes you don't get enough time for your technical analysis to come into effect. For that reason, and the fact that I can't keep up with making dank trades, education, and 3K challenge videos all at the same time, the 3K challenge videos are going to become a bi-weekly thing. I'll trade options 2 weeks from expiration instead of just 4 to 5 days. That way, I'll have more time to make more informational videos as well, like a tutorial on the Iron Condor. And trust me, you guys are going to love the Iron Condor. Let me know in the comment section what stock you want me to trade next. I'm also going to run a poll, and the stock that gets the most likes is the one that I'll trade in the next video. In week 4, Petróleo Brasileiras won, and I am 1 week into a pretty solid trade on that stock so far. Remember, you as the crowd are choosing my stock for buy week 7 in the section below. Let me know what stock you want me to trade, and I'll put a Theta Gang strategy together to pull some tendies. We're taking the L this week, and then we are getting back on track. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed watching me get my pee-pee smacked this week. We're rolling out by week 6 this coming weekend, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss one super hot moment. Best of luck with your trades this week, and I'll catch you next time.